Welcome to our video today where we're going to explore how to make markers interactive using Maptiler Geocoding. If you've ever worked with maps or geospatial data, you know how important it is to be able to easily identify and interact with specific location. That's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Geocoding is the process of converting addresses or other location-based data into geographic coordinates that can be plotted on a map. And Maptiler is a powerful tool that allows us to do just that, making it easier than ever to work with geospatial data. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how to use Maptiler geocoding to make markers interactive. So let's dive in. To start using Maptiler geocoding, you'll need to have your location-based data ready to go. This could be in the form of addresses, city names, or even just coordinates themselves. Once you have your data, you can use Maptiler to convert it into a format that can be used on a map. The first step is to upload your data to Maptiler. You can do this by creating a new project and selecting the type of data you're working with. From there, you can customize how your data is processed and even add additional layers or styling to enhance your map. Now, let's talk about making markers interactive. This is where things get really powerful. With Maptiler geocoding, you can easily add pop-up windows or tooltips to each marker on your map. These can contain all sorts of information, from basic details like address and phone number to more complex data like images or even videos. But that's not all. You can also use Maptiler to create custom markers based on specific criteria. For example, if you're working with a data set of coffee shops, you could create different markers for each chain or type of shop. This makes it incredibly easy to visualize and interact with your data in a way that just isn't possible with static maps. Another really cool feature is the ability to filter and sort your markers based on specific criteria. Want to see only the markers within a certain distance from a specific location? No problem. Maptiler geocoding makes it easy to do just that. So, what are from this video? Here's a quick recap. Maptiler geocoding is a powerful tool for converting location-based data into geographic coordinates. You can use Maptiler to create interactive markers with pop-up windows or tooltips. Custom markers can be created based on specific criteria. Filtering and sorting are easy, even with large datasets. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to make markers interactive using Maptiler geocoding. If you have any questions or want to see more videos like this, be sure to leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on geospatial data and mapping. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.